How much can $1 million get you in different cities? Are you looking for a single-family house in a coastal city or a newly constructed farmhouse in the woodsy suburb? Today, we're touring 3 $1 million homes to see how far your home spending dollar can go in different cities around America. This is Listing Price. Our first home is in Meridian, Idaho. Known to be the second largest city in the state, Meridian is a great and affordable place to live and work. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house was recently built in 2022 and showcases a thoughtful and beautiful architectural design. It has a spacious open floor plan that includes the living room, kitchen, and dining area. Gleaming hardwood floors flow throughout the principal living spaces, which are filled with natural light from the large windows overlooking the landscaped backyard. Surrounded by floating shelves and cabinets, a stone floor-to-ceiling fireplace is the standout in the living room, making it the perfect place to gather on those snowy Idaho nights. The kitchen gives a sleek, modern look with its white cabinetry with gold pulls centered around a large island under the matte black pendant lights. The space flows seamlessly into the dining area where family members can convene for dinner. Meanwhile, all the bedrooms are located on the sides of the home, including the well-lit primary suite with a spa bathroom, a walk-in shower, and 2 separate vanities. The other 3 bedrooms are also brightly lit with large closet spaces. They can be used as kids' rooms, guest rooms, or an office. Next to one of the bedrooms is this small space that has been conveniently converted into a double-desk nook that is perfect for reading, writing, or doing homework. Let's head upstairs to the attic, where you'll find a large open space and a full bathroom. This room can be converted into a game room, guest room, or whatever your heart desires. Looking at the backyard, the large covered patio provides a great space to host summer barbecues and picnics. This home has a semi-annual HOA fee of $500, as well as a 1,300 square foot garage with an RV bay door. Next, we're heading southeast to Ball Ground, Georgia. Ball Ground is a small city north of Metro Atlanta, characterized by historic homes and great recreation opportunities. Our second home is a newly constructed farmhouse that offers 3 beds and 3.5 baths on a 2-acre lot. Upon stepping into the home, you're greeted by an open floor plan with exposed beams and columns that add character to the space. The stunning brick fireplace, flanked by floating bookshelves and cabinets, creates an intimate and cozy ambiance for small get-togethers. Extending the entertainment space outdoors, the connected screened patio is invaluable for nature lovers that want a breath of fresh air while being protected from bugs and bad weather conditions. And for the chillier days, you can light the outdoor fireplace to keep company warm and comfortable. Back indoors, we have a gorgeous open kitchen. A home chef has plenty of workspace with a center marble island and stone countertops. There's also a hidden walk-in pantry for extra storage. Off to the right side of the kitchen is a laundry room and a mudroom. The main floor also has the spacious primary suite with a spa-like bath and long walk-in closet. Heading upstairs, you'll find the 2 other bedrooms, one with an ensuite bathroom and a large bonus area that can be used as an office space or 4th bedroom if desired. Next, the 2-story home has an impressive walkout patio from the basement. This cover patio offers a great place to lounge outdoors or host summer barbecues. It overlooks the expansive backyard surrounded by forest trees, where children and adults alike can play games or go on a scavenger hunt. Lastly, the house has an attached 3-car garage and a driveway for more vehicles if needed. Our last stop is Ventura, California, a coastal city known for its thriving cultural scene, beautiful weather, and proximity to the beach. This home is a spacious 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house located within a cul-de-sac in a quiet neighborhood. Inside, there is an open-floor living room and dining room with vaulted ceilings. This home features a spacious U-shaped kitchen with a gas cooktop, granite counters, and lots of cabinets for storage. The breakfast bar seamlessly connects the kitchen to the adjoining family room with beautiful hardwood floors and a brick fireplace. The addition of the chair rail molding enhances the look of the wooden baseboards and patio doors. A major selling point for this home is the attached secondary suite on the main floor. It's 630 square foot with its own living room, kitchenette, bedroom, and bathroom, as well as a separate entrance in the back of the house. Upstairs, you'll find 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Outside, you'll find a covered patio surrounded by high wooden fences that provide peace and privacy. This home has a single-door garage that caters 2 parking spaces and extra space for an RV. We've looked at 3 homes today with listing prices at about $1 million. The first home in Meridian had an airy and modern design any homeowner would love to entertain in. The second home in Ball Ground was a newly constructed farmhouse with a charming open floor plan and tons of outdoor spaces. Our third home in Ventura is located in a quiet cul-de-sac with 5 bedrooms to host plenty of guests, including an attached secondary suite with its own kitchenette and living room. Which $1 million listing was your favorite?